Hey everyone, my name is Kajal and today I'm covering some quick LinkedIn tips for job seekers in 90 seconds. So let's get into it. Number 1, profile photo. This goes without saying you should have a good professional headshot. But what use is it if the other person trying to connect with you can't see it? So make sure to set your photo visibility to public. Number 2, headlines. I see this mistake a lot. Headlines filled with looking for jobs. Recruiters don't search for looking for jobs, they search for domains. So add domain in your headline. So then how do you indicate you're looking for job? Number 3, use LinkedIn's looking for job feature. Also, if you're currently working, this is hidden from your current employer. Connecting with others. Don't wait for the world to discover you. Go out there and connect with people. Just sending a connection request won't help. Instead, click on the Add a Note feature and add a personalized note. This will increase your chances of getting a connection request accepted. Don't restrict yourself to connections. Go to their profile and click on follow. This way, you get to see their posts on your feed and you can interact with them through comments. Those are some simple tips to get you started with LinkedIn. If you want to know more about LinkedIn, check out my video on how to network on LinkedIn. Enough about me. What are your LinkedIn goals? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.